Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, if you like this stitch, you can give it a try. It's a very easy stitch, one row repeat. It's gonna eat a lot of yarn. So if you do a big project, make sure that you have enough yarn to finish that project and you don't need to run back to the store. Yeah. Okay, well, this stitch, if you like, you can chain in sets of 10 and then you're gonna add 2 more. If not, you're gonna chain multiples of 4 plus 2 more. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna skip the first 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th chain, yarn over the hook, we're gonna do an extended double crochet. So you go into that 4th chain, pick up a loop, yarn over and pull the yarn through the first loop, yarn over and pull the yarn to the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull the yarn to the last 2. And in this row you're gonna do only extended double crochets in each chain. So you go next to the next chain, pull the yarn to the first loop, yarn over the hook, pull the yarn to the next 2, yarn over the hook, pull the yarn to the next 2 loops. That is an extended double crochet. So you're gonna do double crochets, extended double crochets in each chain until you finish this row. And after you finish, because it's gonna take a long time to do that, and I want this tutorial to be not so long, what we're gonna do, you're gonna chain 3 at the end. Let me show you just to make sure that you get it. Okay, so you finish in the last chain, extended double crochet, then you're gonna chain 3. Turn your work, and now we're gonna skip the first 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th, yarn over the hook, we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do 4 extended double crochets. Yarn over the hook, and then you go back and you do the second extended double crochet, go back and do the 3rd and the 4th. It's back post extended double crochet. Yeah. Now you're gonna chain 3. Turn your work, just to make sure that you're not, all over the place like this. So this cluster should be in the back. Yeah. So now we're gonna skip the next 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th, just pop it like this out in the back there, and do 4 extended double crochets. Go back again for the 2nd and the 3rd and the 4th. Chain 3 and make sure that you make it like this, that this cluster stays in the back. So yarn over the hook, again we're gonna skip the next 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th we're gonna do the same. We're gonna put in there 4 extended back post extended double crochet. Go back for the 2nd and the 3rd and the 4th. Chain 3. Okay, turn the work like this. So now we're gonna skip the next 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th here, yarn over the hook, we're gonna do the same. We're gonna do 4 extended back post double crochet. Okay, it's gonna look like this. Okay, and now we're gonna chain 3. And now this is gonna be the row that you're gonna repeat on and on and on, each row. Yeah. So yarn over the hook, we're gonna skip the first 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, we're gonna skip, and in the 4th one we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a back post extended double crochet, 4 of them. So 1, go back again for the 2nd, and the 3rd, chain 3, turn your work, and now we're gonna alternate like this. You did a back post extended double crochet, 4 of them there, and now again we're gonna skip the first 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th yarn over the hook we're gonna do a front post extended double crochet. So pick up a loop, pull the yarn to the first loop, pull the yarn to the next 2 and the next 2, and we're gonna go back again and we're gonna place in there 3 more front post extended double crochets. So we have 3, 1 more, chain 3. Okay, and now we did the front post extended double crochet, yarn over the hook, skip the next 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one here we're gonna do a back post extended double crochet, 4 in there. I'm gonna put 4 of this. So go back again for the 2nd, go back for the 3rd, and the last one, the 4th. Okay, chain 3, and we did the back post. Now we're gonna do with the front post. Yeah. That's why I said chain 20, 30, 40 it's best, because I chain only, I don't know, 12 I think. So we started with the back but we finished with the front. When you chain 10, 20, 30, then you're gonna start with the back, you're gonna finish with the back. Yeah. So we're gonna do in there 4 extended double crochets. And go back again and do the 3rd one and the 4th one. Now chain 2, yarn over the hook, and we have this chain here, chain 3, so we're gonna go into the 2nd chain in there, go into the 2nd chain inside the chain and do an extended double crochet, chain 3, turn your work. It's gonna look like this. If you think these 3 chains between the clusters are too big, the space is too big, chain 2, only 2 chains, not 3, is not gonna affect the stitch. Yeah. So yarn over the hook. Now we're gonna skip the first 3, 1, 2, 3 double crochets, and in this 4th you're gonna do the back post extended double crochet, 4 of them in there. So 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one. Yeah, when you chain with 10, 20, 30, 40, you're gonna start with the back post and you're gonna finish the last cluster with the back post. So you're gonna chain 3. So if you don't feel, if you feel they're too big, the openings, then chain 2. Yeah. So we did the back post. The next cluster is gonna be the front post. So this is it. This is the row that you're gonna repeat on and on and on. So 1, go back again. You're always gonna work in the last double crochet or extended double crochet from the, from that cluster. I'm gonna chain 3, yarn over the hook, you move to the next one, and since we did the front post, the last cluster, we're gonna do the back post into the 4th. So you skip 1, 2, 3, and in the last from that cluster you're gonna place in there 4 extended double crochets. Let's go back again and do the second one. And sometimes it's not gonna be able to do that. Just runs away the yarn from you. Okay, so you're gonna chain 3. So we did the back post and now the front post. You skip, you see, I didn't put 4 double crochets, extended double crochets. I'm not gonna edit, I'm not gonna make it perfect, because sometimes we make mistakes. So this stitch works with multiples of 4, so you're gonna have to be careful to put exactly 4, yeah. But for the sake of this tutorial, imagine that this one is the last one, the 4th one, even though we have only 3, yeah. And we're gonna do the front post. Because you're gonna make mistakes, so your mind is gonna wander. You're gonna think of something else and you think you put 4 instead of. So you go back again and do the second. So if you don't put 4, the work is gonna start to shrink. So one more. Because, you know, even though I'm showing the stitch, doesn't mean that I'm perfect. Sometimes we make mistakes. So now we're gonna chain 2, yarn over the hook, and in this chain 3, this is the first chain, second and third. You're gonna go the one in the middle, the second one right there, and you're gonna do a extended double crochet. Then you're gonna chain 3 and you're gonna start again. So the first one is gonna be like, you know, the back post. You skip the first 3, 1 2 3, and you're gonna go into the 4th from the back, and you're gonna do 4 extended double crochets, and then you're gonna move to the next cluster. You're gonna skip the 3, and in the 4th, always the last one here, you're gonna do a front post, back post, front post, yeah. So in the chain here, we have 1 2 3. Into the second, you're gonna skip the first, and in the second you're gonna do extended double crochet, chain 3, and you're gonna start again. But I think this stitch looks nice with a thin yarn, so if you like, you can do that. With the, you know, with the chunky, a little bit thick, it doesn't look so, well, it loses a little bit. This yarn is not so thick like this one, you know. This pink, it's a little bit thinner than the grayish one, yeah. So, well, if you like this this stitch, give it a try. I think for a baby blanket will be nice to do this. But like I said, if you feel like it's like this one, I have 3 chains, 1 2 3 in between. But if you feel like it's too, you know, loose, too many openings, the openings are big, then chain only 2. It's not gonna affect the work, but it's gonna be really, you know, tight in there, closed. So yeah, and the stitch is reversible. It's really nice. 1 row repeat. It's very easy. Yeah. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.